Hello, my name is Swissbianco. This is part 2 of the Barnet Pro Diabolo slingshot. There was a couple problems in part 1 with assembly of that item. So this one is a Monday model, as we call it in Switzerland. The Chinese did mess that one up. The thread that hold the counterweight, this is a steel or pot metal part inside the plastic grip did or was completely messed up. The threading there was metal to plastic, so that did not work at all. So this one needs to be fixed. It is just sticking in there like that, so that is already a negative point on that one. It's relatively simple. It's a M4 size thread that we have on the metal, so I need to look for a special insert, metal insert that I can put in here that has the M4 or something similar that I can convert with the threads that I have, the tap and the die. So that needs already attention. That is a negative point. The part over here is not gonna last too long. That is simply too weak, so that needs a replacement too. Basically that goes like this on your wrist, and that's gonna have quite a tension on it because you pull on the string. So if that get loose, that would not be good. Quite likely I need to replace that one with some paracord because that plastic not gonna last serious use. Then we had the problem here with those parts that fit in there. They have some stamped flanges, so that goes in that slot there. That was completely filled up with some drilling and machining plastic from China, so that needed to be taken out as well. Then they used that screw here and the nut below and the flat part of the nut on the plastic, that it would not turn around as you screw on the screw on the nut, and that did already not gonna work out either. So you can't clamp the item down really well, so that needs to be get some attention as well, so that the nut is not gonna turn around. On the front parts I put a bit oil in it, so that threads a bit better in that plastic. There is no metal inserts either. So all in all, for now it's a bit disappointing on the quality. What I don't like at all is the shininess of the item. If you want to use that for hunting or for self-defense and such kind of item, kind of propose it should have a more matte finish. Those chrome plated parts I gonna blacken out. That is not gonna work. The sight itself has a brass pin to adjust, and you simply gonna adjust it that way and also tighten it down with that screw there. That's pretty fragile. We're gonna see how long that lasts. The positive is the handle is really nice in your hand. Has a nice grip even for bigger hand. Nice contouring here. Feels like a pistol handle, a slimmer pistol handle. So that is pretty nicely done there. But in details, it's not too well of an item, unfortunately, as best as I see it now. So we're gonna do a part 3 of that video series on the Barnet Pro Diabolo slingshot. That will show it with the parts fixed and the color gonna be changed as well, so we get rid of that shiny silver nickel plating there, and I need to test it out a bit so I can give feedback how well that item works. So that much about this slingshot in part 2 of this series.